Have you ever tried to sign up for an app only to get stuck because you could not find the right button? Or you filled out a form and hit the submit button but got no confirmation if it worked? That's not just annoying, it's a failure in design. Welcome back to our series of the design of everyday thing. In the chapter 2, Don Norman dive into how people interact with technology and why understanding human psychology is the key to create intuitive application and website. Let's break it down. When we use an app, two things happen in our mind. One is gulf of execution and the gulf of evaluation. So what is gulf of execution? It's the gap between what user want and how the interface allow them to do it. For example, a user wants to delete their account, but the delete button or that option is buried somewhere in the file menu. That's a failure in design. Gulf of evaluation. This is the gap between taking an action and understanding what happened. Imagine submitting a form on a website and getting no confirmation. Did it go through? Should we try again? Without proper feedback, user feel lost. Norman's break down user interaction into 7 stages or steps people naturally take when they are using any product. Those are goal, plan, specify, perform, perceive, interpret, and compare. Goal. User want to accomplish something. For example, they want to book a flight ticket on a travel app. Then plan. They decide how to do it, like go to the flight section of the travel app. Specify. They choose an action. For example, you select the travel date and click on search button. Perform. They take an action like click on the book now button. Then perceive. They look for feedback like any confirmation message. Interpret. They understand what just happened, seeing through the confirmation screen. Lastly, compare. They check if their goal was achieved. They're verifying their ticket details, like going through the ticket number, flight number, timing, etc. If any of these steps are missing or confusing in an app, then user experience breaks down. Now the question is, how can we apply all this psychology for a better UX design? First of all, reduce the gulf of execution. Make tasks easy and intuitive. If users need to reset a password, don't make them hunt for the option. Place it clearly on the login screen. Then, reduce gulf of evaluation. Provide instant feedback. Show loading spinner, error message, and confirmation alert so user always know what is happening. At last, support all stages of actions by guiding user through each steps of their journey. For example, e-commerce app like Amazon clearly show progress indicator from product selection to checkout, reducing user confusion. A well-designed website or app does not just looks good, it thinks the way user thinks. Understanding human psychology is what separates a frustrating app from a seamless one. If you design with the user's mental model in mind, you create experiences that feel seamless and intuitive. If you are enjoying the series, let me know in the comment section. Hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the chapter 3, where we will explore how knowledge in the head versus knowledge in the world impact UX design. See you in the next video.